Welcome to Pembroke Chrysler. Here is another one of our great vehicles for sale. This 2024 Volkswagen Taos comes equipped with heated seats, backup camera and all-wheel drive. Here at Pembroke Chrysler, it is our mission to be the automotive home of drivers in the Pembroke area. We provide a vast selection of new and used vehicles, exceptional car care, and customer service with a smile. Our showroom has the newest model of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram vehicles, and we also hold a great stock of used vehicles as well. Our finance center can help you out with providing a loan rate and approved car financing, regardless of your type of credit. Once you purchase from us, our highly qualified technicians will provide top-of-the-line service in a timely manner. Come and visit us at 1398 Pembroke Street West in Pembroke, Central Ontario.